Hey, Coco. Good morning. You fresh? You getting fresh for a new day? Come here. Come get your scrubs. Hey, brother. Come on. Yeah. Hey, Coco. Good morning. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Hey, brother.
Pay her taxes, loves to sing, but thinks that she can't stay out in the dark. And she'll never hold your hand unless you give her things you might.
Well, I thought Wellington-on-Sea was just an ordinary town I drop in on once a year. But I was very wrong. It turns out it's a rather remarkable community, where the only gift they ever
overactive imagination. But I clearly remember the baby was delivered in a taxi.
I know what you did, babe. One time is a mistake, 2 times that's a mistake. 3 a.m. at his place before I catch a cold case.
Yeah, Kona. Loud and proud. Yeah.
I wanna know what it feels like. I wanna know what it feels like.
Okay, what else? What else? What else do you want the people to know? Okay. What else? Kona? Brother? What else? Coco? Why are you yelling at the mic? Yeah. Why are you yelling at the mic, Coco? Okay, Coco. Okay. They hear you. What else? Okay.
Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this! Chrissy, wake up!
Hey, hello?
Time to wake up, time to
Kona. Mm-hmm. Yeah, brother.
Sorry. That's a little too intense. Can we have something more tranquil, please?
What you doing, Kona? What you doing?
Go ahead, step closer.
What you doing? Yeah? Who's that pretty man? Mm-hmm.
Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this! Chrissy, wake up! Hey, hello? Time to wake up, time to wake up. Can you hear me? Wake up, Chrissy! I don't like this! Chrissy, wake up!
Hey, Coco. Good morning. Good morning, Coco. Hey, brother. No. Hey. Sing clean? Yeah. You clean? Uh-huh. What about it? Okay, okay. What else? No, okay, okay. Yeah, okay, okay. I hear you, Coco. I hear you. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah. What else, brother? What else? Oh, that whoop. That whoop whoop. Hmm? That whoop whoop. Okay, okay. Remember Mr. Towel? Mr. Towel? Yeah. Hey, Coco. What you doing, Kona? You working on the fan, Kona? What you doing? Hey, Coco. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? You coming for my eyeballs? How you doing, Coco? Hey, Coco. Hey, brother.